Welcome or welcome back, fellow creative souls, to my little creative corner of the internet. Today we embark on a journey of self-discovery and relaxation as we delve into my favorite self-care practice, art journaling. So grab your favorite art supplies and let's indulge in a free art journaling session to unwind from the chaos of everyday life. Life can be a whirlwind of obligations, deadlines and never-ending to-do lists, so that our mind often races at 1,000,000 miles an hour, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and drained. But fear not, for there is an oasis of calmness within the pages of your art journal. Your art journal is your sanctuary, a safe haven where you can escape the chaos and reconnect with your inner self. It's a place where your creativity knows no boundaries and your imagination can flow freely. With a simple stroke of a brush or a doodle of a pencil, you can express your emotions, dreams and desires without judgment. So, how does this self-care art journey begin? Start by finding a quiet nook, a sacred space just for you. Put on some soothing music and take a deep breath. Let the weight of the world melt away as you open the pages of your art journal. As you immerse yourself in the process, remember that there are no rules. Art journaling is about exploring, experimenting, and letting your intuition guide you. Dip your brush into vibrant hues, let the colors blend and merge, creating a symphony of self-expression. Perhaps you like to sketch a landscape, letting your worries fade into the horizon. Or maybe you are drawn to collaging, cutting out images and words that resonate with your current state of mind. Or just go to your go-to thing that you know you're good at and you can kind of deliver on the page. The choice is absolutely yours, and your art journal is your mirror reflecting your thoughts, emotion and experience. And when the chaos subsides and you look back at your art journaling pages and witnessed your own growth and self-discovery, it's a testament to your resilience and the power of creativity to heal, nourish and rejuvenate your inner self. Remember, this isn't just about art, it's about self-care. It's about taking a moment to be kind to yourself, to acknowledge your needs and to provide a soothing moment for your always running mind. Let your art journal become your confidant, your companion in this journey of self-expression and self-care. So, my dear fellow artists, embrace the therapeutic and self-soothing effects of art journaling. Allow it to be your escape, your sanctuary, and your catalyst for relaxation. Unwind, let your mind wander, and unlock the endless possibilities that lie within your art journal's precious pages. Until next time, may your brush strokes be gentle, your colors vibrant, and your heart at peace. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Happy art journaling! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button to join me on my creative journey.